Hello everyone! Today we're making thin soda flatbreads with added rice. They're incredibly simple to prepare. Rice flatbreads are very versatile. You can serve them as a snack or even as a main dish. I soaked 1 cup of rice, 180 grams, overnight in regular water. If you don't have time, soak it for at least an hour. Rinse the rice well, leave a little water on it, and transfer it to a blender. Pour in 300 milliliters of room temperature ayran, or you can replace it with kefir. Add 1 large egg, also at room temperature, so it blends better. Blend everything for about 2 minutes. Pour the mixture into a deep bowl for convenience, and start adding the rest. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, or even 1.5 for a better flavor balance. Pour in 3 tablespoons of neutral vegetable oil, or about 60 milliliters if you want the flatbreads even softer. Sift in 200 to 220 grams of flour. That's roughly 8 to 9 heaping tablespoons. Adjust the amount depending on the consistency. The batter should be a bit thicker so the flatbreads hold their shape. And at the very end, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Stir thoroughly and turn on the pan. Lightly grease the pan just once before frying. You won't need more, since the batter already contains oil. Pour 1 ladle of batter exactly in the center and cover with a lid. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until golden. The batter sets well, so we flip it. You get a nicely browned flatbread. Cover it again and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat. Flip once more to check the color. Transfer the flatbread onto a plate lined with paper towels and continue cooking the rest. These rice flatbreads turn out incredibly soft and tender inside, with a slight springiness, just like fresh rice dough. They're thin, even, neatly shaped, with a pleasant warm color and a light aroma. Perfect as a standalone snack or as a base for any filling. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Check out my other videos. They are also delicious. See you next time. Bye bye!